Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. Do you know that whatever you want to do, irrespective of your location or jurisdiction, there is only one thing you need to get. You want to build your career, you need one thing to acquire. You want to travel, you want to study or learn in higher institution, you want to do business, you want to work, you want to acquire skill, whatever you want to do, there is only one thing you need to know to acquire that thing that you intend doing. And what is that? INFORMATION. Information. Get information relevant to whatever you want to do, and you'll be happy at the end of the day. Because if you are going on a direction, on a particular track, and you miss your way, you need information to get back on the track you want to go or the way you want to follow. So information is very important, and that's why on this channel I bring to you different ways you can earn income for yourself. I talk about stocks, I talk about investment, about bonds, about shares, derivatives, and different earning tips or means through which you can be financially independent and free or financially stable. Get information, whatever you want to do, whatever you intend doing, whatever you want to know or you want to do, get information. And here on the internet space, we have a lot of channels or platforms through which you can get information. One of them is this medium, YouTube. You get information of whatever you want to do about cooking, about fashion tips, about family lives, about relationship, about decor, home decor, whatever you want to do, you get the information on this platform. Subscribe for more on this channel, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.